Life is busy. We often feel stressed. It's easy to forget to take care of ourselves. Healing meditation can help. It can bring peace and calm. Meditation is a journey. It's about understanding your mind. It helps you find peace within. You can find this peace anywhere, anytime. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we are constantly bombarded with tasks and responsibilities. The noise of the city and the demands of personal life can leave us feeling overwhelmed. It's in these moments that we need to pause, breathe, and reconnect with our inner peace. Meditation offers a sanctuary from the external noise and a pathway to inner tranquility. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to meditation, we can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. Whether you're in a quiet room or amidst the hustle of a busy street, meditation can be your anchor. Focus on your breath. Feel the air going in. Feel the air going out. Each breath brings you closer to peace. Breathing is natural. It's always with you. Use it to find calm. Use it to release stress. With each breath, think a positive thought. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am at peace. Positive thoughts bring positive feelings. Fill your mind with kindness. Fill your heart with joy. Meditation can transform your life. It can help you find joy in simple things. It can improve your relationships. When you are at peace, you radiate peace. You become more patient. You become more compassionate. Make meditation a daily habit. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Start your day with peace. End your day with calm. Imagine waking up to the gentle rays of the morning sun, feeling its warmth on your face. The world is still, and the only sound you hear is the soft rustling of leaves. This is your moment of serenity. Meditation doesn't require hours. Just 10 minutes each morning can set a positive tone. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of any tension. Focus on your breathing and allow your mind to settle. In the evening, take another 10 minutes to meditate. Reflect on your day and let go of any negative thoughts. This evening ritual helps you transition to a state of relaxation, preparing you for a restful night's sleep. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your journey to inner peace.